Hello friends, today I introduce you a very powerful switch word which can manifest anything. It can remove obstacles, attract money, good health and heal relationships. In this phrase, we ask the wolf to help us. This switch word helps to speed up works, to be a savior in urgent matters, move out of hopeless and distressed situation. Let's start chanting wolf magic begin now with wolf sound. Wolf magic begin now. 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 Wolf magic begin. Wolf magic begin now. 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 Wolf